Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings and liking the readings. I know today especially you will love the readings because again your favorite cards, the Kali Oracle has come. Whenever I put these cards, I get a lot of people messaging to me saying that they loved the readings and they always wait for specifically the Kali Ma cards. So let's see what the Mata has to say today. The first card that has come, that is Dakshina. She looks fierce, but I always say, any Kali Mata is not, any form of Kali is not fierce, and the Dashamahavidya Devis are the most powerful. The next one is Dhumavati. So let's see what is in store for you today with Dakshina and Dhumavati. I always love when Dakshina comes in the readings because it is said that when you need someone more like motherly, then this card comes in a reading. And she also comes when she knows that you need help, basically. Okay, this help can be financial, this help can be personal, but overall it comes when you need help. She also comes as a blessings in our life because whatever it is, whether it is good or bad, whatever comes in our life comes for a cause and comes with some reason. So whenever she is there, you just need to surrender yourself to her, because definitely she will not do anything harmful to you. She will do only things which are good for you, and she will only do things which will be later on beneficial to you. Now coming to Dhumavati, the seventh Devi of in Dashmahavidya. She is, though she's a widow, but she's a goddess of wisdom. Many people avoid praying to her. Many people don't understand what to do and how to do, but actually, if you see, whenever Dhumavati comes, it actually comes that she will make you blessed. She will make you to overcome your sorrows. She will help you to overcome the feeling that something wrong is going to happen, and she'll give you the courage to heal yourself, honor yourself, and she'll also give you the courage to handle the situations, because whatever has happened, more worse has happened, nothing more bad can happen. She is more like a person who will see that you are healed completely and you are blessed completely. So maybe today just chant Jai Ma Kali 108 times, and today if possible wear the color orange. Somewhere I feel both the cards are saying that some healing has to go through and there is some pain which you have to overcome. So I'm asking you to wear the color orange today if possible. If you have hibiscus near your house, pick some hibiscus and keep it near Mata and ask her to bless you. If you don't have hibiscus, any red colored flowers, you can keep some kumkum in front of her when you're chanting Jai Ma Kali, and you can use that kumkum in your everyday when you start your day, and I'm sure Ma Kali is going to bless you beautifully and abundantly. Don't worry about what is happening, what is not happening. Overall, whatever is happening for a cause, and I'm sure she's going to help you come out of it, and she's going to keep you blessed, and she's going to keep you happy always. Have a blessed day.